So we have copy machines that are specific to the teacher's use. They can print right from their computers. It just prints everything that they need. The office staff has their own printers, and between the three of us in the office, we can just print whatever we need without interruption. So it's been really pretty seamless utilizing the copy machines throughout the building. We've done some sacramental booklets for First Communion, Confirmation, First Reconciliation, and just getting those to staple. That's always been a challenge for us, and we've always had great success with calling and having you guys get things set up for us and just working all those little details out, and then it's pretty easy to go from there. We have never had an issue with anyone at the organization, especially since turning over to the new company. Everything has been seamless. I mean, Joe and Jeff have been wonderful. Scott's been awesome. We've just never, ever had complaints with the service that we've had through you guys at all. So it's just been perfect for us. We can call and our questions are answered right away, and we just get all the customer service that we need. It's been astronomically great. It's just been no fail with us. We've been very pleased, again, for 25 years, and I definitely would recommend them to anyone who is seeking you out. They've just been great with any questions that we have, and they're always there to answer our questions, call us back, reach us however we need them. So they've been great, really.